So that is all for the B. Now let us move on to the C. The C says we should convert 307 base 8 to base 5. So as usual, 307 base 8, we have to convert to base 10. And if you are doing that, then we will write 3, 0, and 7. The base is 8, so we write the base on top of each number, which is 8, 8. Then we begin to number the base, which is on top of each number, starting from 0. So 0, 1, and 2. Now in the next stage, what we do is that we pick the 3 and we use it to multiply 8 power 2 plus 0 times 8 power 1 plus 7 times 8 power 0. So if you are continuing, you can simply use your calculator from here. 3 times 8 power 0, 8 power 2 is 192 plus 8 power 1 is 8, but any number times 0 is 0, plus 8 power 0 is 1. 7 times 1 is 7. So if you are adding it, then we are going to get 199, because 192 plus 0 is 192 plus 7, 199. Now 199 base 10 is equal to 199. Now don't forget, we are not done. This is just the first stage. We want to convert the 307 to base 5. So the result you had here, you are going to convert it to base 5 using the method of successive division. And in that, we said the 199 appears here, and we indicate the remainder sign here. So if you are employing the method of successive division, then we say 199 divide 5. On the calculator, 199 divided by 5 produce 39.8. So the main number here is 39. The 0.8 as usual represents a number, but that number we want to get it. To get it, you use the 39, which is the first number, to multiply the 5. Whatever you get, you take it from 199. Then you can get the remainder. So let's see, 39 times 5 giving us 195. You see that 195 is closer to 199. So when you take away 195 from 199, you get 4. So it means 5 will go into 199, 39, remainder 4. We will continue to do until we get a number that cannot divide 5, or that 5 cannot divide exactly. So let's go. So we say 39 divided by 5. On the calculator, 39 divided by 5, you can see is 7.8. So it means it will go into it 7. Remember what? When you use 7 to multiply 7 to multiply 5, you are going to get 35. You now subtract the result from 39. So 39 minus 35 is 4. We'll repeat again because 7 is bigger than 5. 5 will go into 7, 1. Remainder 2. Finally, 5 will go into 1, it can be. So what we write here is 0. Then we lift the 1 to this side. We indicate our arrow up. So when we indicate our arrow up, our answer is now 1, 2, 4, 4. And that becomes the final answer for 307 base 8 in base 5. So you say, therefore, 307 base 8 to base 5 will give us 1, 2, 4, 4, base 5. As you can see, none of the answers here has 5 or more, and that tells you we are dealing with base 5. I hope you understand. Let us continue to solve the D. The D question says, convert 561 base 8 to base 5. So we want to convert 561 base 8 to base 5. So the first thing to do is to convert the number to base 10. So if you are doing that, we shall write 561. The base appears on top of each number. The base here is 8. So you write 8, 8, 8. Now we begin to number the base, starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2. Now, what do we do? As usual, we pick the number which is 5, Then we use it to multiply 8 power 2 plus we pick 6, use it to multiply 8 power 1 plus we pick 1, use it to multiply 8 power 0. So what do we do in the next stage? We do our multiplication. You have your calculator, so do not struggle. You can always use your calculator. So 5 times 8 power 2 will give us 320 plus 6 times 8 giving us 48 plus, don't forget any number power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So when we do the addition, 320 plus 48 plus 1 will give us 369. Base 10 equals to 369. Don't forget, this is the first stage. So this is the first stage. In the second stage, what we do is that we convert the answer we have gotten in the first stage to the corresponding base 5. And if we are doing that, then we shall draw our vertical lines and the horizontal line. So the number we are converting is 369. And we are converting to base 5. So what appears here is the remainder. We are employing the method of successive division, which says 369 divided by 5. So 369 divided by 5. That is 73.8, which means 5 will go into 369, 73. So how do we get the actual remainder, which represents the 0.8? You need to use the 73 to multiply the 5. Whatever you get, you take it from 369. Very simple. So 73 times 5 will give us 365. So you can see. Now we subtract the 365 from 369, and the result will be 4. We keep repeating until the number we will get is lesser than 5. Then we represent 0 under there. So let's go. 73 divided by 5 will be what? 73 divided by 5. That will give us 14.6. So what it means is that 5 will go into 73, 14. Remainder what? That remainder represents the 6. To get that specific number, use the 14, the first number, to multiply the base here. So 14 times 5, 70. Immediately you get your result, you take it from 73. So 73 minus 70 is 3. Now when the number is getting closer to 5, you can do the division offhand and you can get the remainder direct. For instance, 14 is closer to 5. So clearly you can see 5 will go into 14, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. When you take 10 from 14, you'll be left with 4. Now, in the final stage, you can see that 2 is lesser than 5, so you don't have to continue again. So you write 0 here, you lift the 2 and bring it here. Then you indicate the arrow up. So clearly you can see we have 2, 4, 3, 4 to be the final answer. But you have to define it clearly. So you see, therefore, 5, 6, 1 base 8 is now 2, 4, 3, 4 base 8. Very simple. Let's go to the final one. So E. The E says we are to convert 3, 4, 4 base 5 to a number base 8. So we are converting to base 8. So as usual, convert this first to base 10. And if you are to do that, we are going to write the 3, 4, 4. Leave some space in between them. The base is 5. So 5, 5, 5. Now begin to number them. So 0, 1, 2. So when we come here, what we do is that we pick the 3, use it to multiply 5 power 2 plus into bracket 4 times 5 power 1 plus 4 times 5. Let me write it here. 4 times 5 power 0. So you continue. Now, 3 times 5 power 2 will give us 75 plus 4 times 5 is 20 plus 5 power 0 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So you can see 75 plus 20 is 95. Plus 4 is 99. So our result is 99 base 10. And that is 99. So what do? We are going to divide 99 by 8 using the method of successive division. So if that is the case, then we will draw two vertical lines. We write the 99 here. The base is 8, and we put a remainder here. So we are employing the method of successive division. So you see 99 divided by 8. So let's see. 99 divided by 8. That will give us 12.33375. But the focus is 12. So it means 12 will go here, 12. And 8 will go here, 12. Now what do? We use the 12 to multiply the 8. So that whatever we will get, we can take it from 99 in order to get the remainder. Now, 12 times 8, as you can see, it is 96, which is very close to 99. So, 99 minus 96 is 3. Very simple. Now, 12 divided by 8. Like I said, when a number is getting close, you can do it in your head. So, 12 divided by 8, 8 will go into 12, 1, and the remainder is 4. And the final stage, as you can see, 8 cannot go into 0 again. So what do we write? 0. And we lift the 1 and write it here. So we indicate the arrow up. So if we are to define our answer here, then we say that 344 base 5 is now equal to 143 base 8. That is our final answer. Hello, viewers. I hope you've just understood what we just did. Indeed, conversion between non-decimal bases are not difficult. It's very simple. And so once we are done, I would like to give you an assignment so that in your own comfortable time, you can also solve it. Immediately you finish, do not hesitate to drop your answers in the comment section, and I will be there to give you a remark on it. So let me give you the assignment. Assignment number 1. Convert 432 base 5 to a number base 3. B. Convert 11101 base 2 to base 8. 3. Convert 135 base 8 to base 2. 4. Convert 101 base 2 to base 5. And finally, convert 332 base 4 to base 5. And so please try your hands on it. And in case you are facing any challenge, let me know. Thank you.
My virtual learning hub. My second home for best students.